Hello friends, today we have to talk about the data science. Uh, so before starting this, when we talk about the foundation of data science, last time I have told you that data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses the scientific methods, process, algorithms, and system to extract the knowledge and insight from the noisy, structured, and unstructured data, and apply this knowledge and actionable insight from the data across the broad range of application domains. So, data science is related to the data mining, machine learning, and big data there. So, generally, data science is a concept to unify the statistic, data analysis, informatics, and their methods in order to understand, analyze the actual phenomena of data. So when we talk about this data science, there are the a few questions are arises, that is need of data science, what is data science, use case of data science, business intelligence versus data science, tools used in data science, life cycle of data science. So we have to see these things one by. So when we talk about the revolution of technology, uh, first there was the data, then data is again unstructured data, then the data storage, lack of predictive analytics, lack of scientific insight, then the decision making, prediction, pattern discovery, and after these revolutions, the final stage is data science there. So this data science, if you look towards the figure, so it shows that suppose there is a figure here, which for the sports analytics and the data science there. Need of data science. Now, today's date, in today's date, there are the few technologies there. There, suppose unstructured and structured data, Hadoop, data science algorithm, scientific discovery. But before it, there was a structured data warehouse, traditional business intelligence, or predetermined reports. This type of technology was there. But nowadays, last time structured data is now structured data. Instead of data warehouse, there is a Hadoop. Instead of traditional business intelligence, there is a data science algorithm. And instead of predetermined report, there is a scientific discovery. It means that these are the changes in the data. So here there is a need of data science is arise. So why the need of data science? Because to recommend the right product to the right customer to enhance the business. When we have to enhance our business or to grow our business, that time there is a right product to the right customer is needed. Then to predict the characteristics of high LTV customers and helps in the customer segmentation. Then build intelligence and the ability in the machine to protect the fraudulent transactions beforehand. Then before sentiment, the analysis to predict the outcome of elections. These are the reasons why we can use the data science. Now, what is the hidden patterns from the raw data. What is data science? So data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and the machine learning principles with the goal to discover the hidden patterns from the raw data. And data science is primarily used to make the decision and predictions. Why data science is used? It is used to make the decision and the predictions. Why? To discover the patterns from the raw data. This is the goal of the data science. Suppose, to understand the data science, if we take the example of Amazon, we know that Amazon is the one of the famous e-commerce platform, and they have the huge amount of customers. So when we take the example of Amazon company, Amazon has the huge amount of consumers who purchase the data. So this data is consist of consumers, the demographics like the age, sex, location, purchasing history, past browsing history. So based on this data, Amazon segments its customer and draws the pattern and recommends the right product to the right customer at the right time. Means what? Suppose Amazon has number of customers there and they have history of that customer or the data of that customer in the form of suppose age, sex, location, or their purchasing history or past browsing history. And according to that past data, they will going to segment these customers and to draw the pattern there. Why? To provide the right product to the right customer at the right time. So for that purpose, they will going to use some strategy, and this strategy is based on data science there. Next example is suppose same like Amazon. If we take the car example of self-driven car, suppose this is the Google self-driven car, which is a smart and a driverless car. Means what? This car does not have any driver, but it drives. So it collects the data from environment through their sensor, and depending on that data, sensor going to work there, and they takes the decision like when to speed up, when to speed down, when to overtake, and when to turn. These all the decisions it can be taken on the basis of only sensors there, who collects the data from surrounding environment, and on the basis of that they take the decision about to speed up, to speed down, to overtake, or when to run. This is also based on the data science there. So there are the number of use cases of data science here. Suppose traveling, healthcare, credit, insurance, then sales, social media, automation, marketing. In these all different types of fields, suppose traveling, marketing, healthcare, social media, automation, credit, insurance, sales, they are the technique of data science use. Why? Because there is a decision making and the prediction technology is used there. It means that there is a use of data science in these various fields.